No thumbs up today. Hello everyone, welcome to the vlog. Today is December 2nd. My main plan for today includes going to my grandma's house and helping her decorate for Christmas. We're gonna set up the Christmas tree, and then I think that maybe she would like to bake stuff or make candy. I'm not sure. Either way, fun stuff. I got some more orders last night while I was sleeping. If you watched my last vlog, I made 4 of these pink bandanas, and I sold one right after I put them on my website, and then I sold another one last night, so that is fun and exciting. And then I also sold 4 scrunchies that I put on my website yesterday as well, so that's great. This is one of the reasons that I like to jump back and forth a little bit between making the orders that are in the queue and making some small stuff to go on my website, because I don't want to leave my website barren while I'm working on all these custom orders. Custom orders are obviously like super important. I would like to finish at least 1 to 2 per day, but also like if I'm just gonna take an hour break and make like 4 bandanas, it's not really hurting anything, and it's also benefiting me by having more stuff on my website, and I sold it. I made some money, so that is great. It's great for everyone, really. So anyway, I'm just gonna package these up this morning while I'm waiting for my grandma to come get me, and we'll see what the rest of the day has in store for us. You're so loud. Hi, baby. This is for Viola. I got another order this morning, which is exciting because I finally sold this hat, and I've had this hat for years but it's finally leaving, so that's fantastic. I actually, whenever I first was making these, I made 5 of them. It's just a knitting machine hat. I have sold a couple throughout the years out of the 5, and then I also gave a couple of them away. So I might have sold like 2, gave 2 away, and this is my last one. So finally I am free from the black machine knit beanies that I made years ago. So celebrate. My grandma should be here soon though, so I'm just gonna package this really quick. Obviously we will be doing things, but of course I'm going to bring yarn because duh. So I'm gonna bring this cornflower because I need to finish that peekaboo top that we have in our orders, and I'm probably gonna need some more, so there's that. And just in case I finish it, like on the off chance, I'm gonna bring some more yarn. I need to bring jewels, so I'll just throw these in just in case I finish the first one and I need to start the second one, but I doubt that'll happen. I always overpack yarn just in case, because I have underpacked yarn before. It's not fun. And then I'm gonna bring all these packages so that I could drop them off somewhere, preferably at a post office of some sort, but we'll see. To grandmother's house we go. We finished decorating. It looks beautiful in here, and I am so tired. No, actually I stayed up late last night because I was reading Percy Jackson, so that's my fault. But we're gonna do a pass on the baking and candy making today, and we'll pick another day. Fine. finally home and it's only like 2:45 and I have a package to go pick up, so I'm gonna go get that. Okay, let's see. If you are my sister River, you're not allowed to watch this because this is your Christmas present. Okay, hold on. It smells horrible in here. This was on her Christmas list, okay? I'm just doing what I'm told. Delightful. Now that I'm home, I am going to sit here in silence, drinking this coffee until my boyfriend gets home, which is gonna be about an hour from now. So I'm gonna sit. I will crochet, but maybe turn music on. Mostly I'm just gonna sit here. All right, boyfriend is home. I have just been notified that we have a new episode of Spy Family, so I'm excited. I will be finishing this peekaboo top. Wow, okay, yeah. It's gonna be finished soon. Now that we have our Christmas tree up, Caesar insists on having like all the lights off. He says it's the ambiance, so we decided to order pizza for dinner. We really like Casey's gas station pizza. I swear it's so good. If you haven't had Casey's gas station pizza, then you should order their pizza. It's really good, I promise. And yeah, we're just gonna spend some time watching anime, eating pizza. I'm going to be working on that sneak peek top and I'll let you know.
You're actually really good. Okay.
Why are you like cutting? I've just received another package today. It's Christmas time, okay? Aha! It is a Christmas present for my mother. And I know she watches all of these videos, so you cannot see it. That is all. Aw, thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks.
You have a great night.
You too.
I am telling on them. I am telling on them so fucking hard.
I'm not eating it. Maybe that piece.
So you can't eat it. Pick a side.
I want that one piece. It looks like there's...
The what?
It looks like there's no pepperoni. This is supposed to be half pepperoni, half pineapple, and they fucked it up because occasionally that happens. That was extremely disappointing. Now I'm having ice cream. Are you laughing?
No. Why are you over there giggling
I'm
for?
breaking character, cause fuck you. Shh, shh, shh.
Okay, sorry.
Shh. Now I'm... Shut up! Now I'm having... Stop! Now I'm having ice cream for dinner.
You gonna watch this?
Why is it John Cena? Babe, no. Come on.
understand basic memes, bro.
I'm stupid. Alright, this is done, so yay. Next on the agenda is an order for Maxime, and we need to make a Jules River Dahlia top and a black Valerie top. So I'm gonna start with the River Dahlia top and get that going. It's only 8 o'clock, so might finish this, might not, but we're gonna start it for sure. Let me tell you, working with a different yarn after making 2 tops in that cornflower color that was super stiff is so nice. I feel like butter. I feel like my hands are just, and as I'm saying that I keep messing up, but I feel like my hands are moving so much better. First cup accomplished. The second cup has been accomplished. We're making some pretty good progress, I would say. It is 11:11. Oh, make a wish. Oh my god. I am going to have to go and watch the new episode of One Piece at some point. I'm just kind of waiting for my boyfriend to be finished editing his video, and then we'll go watch One Piece. And I should definitely go to bed soon at some point. I usually go to bed at like midnight or 1, so.
And the DTT anti-fragile, and the DTT anti. Are you watching, bro?
Yeah. All right, so the top is finished. Here it is. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. That's exciting. We watched the new episode of One Piece. It was good, it was cute, it was funny. And we started watching this new anime called Frieren Beyond Journey's End. And let me tell you, we're 2 episodes in and it is just so cute. It's like the cutest anime, but it also makes you feel things. I like it a lot. Me and my boyfriend both like it a lot. And it's really cute. And if you want to watch it, you should, because it's really good. But anyway, that's all I have for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed. If you're liking these vlogs, keep watching them. There's gonna be more. And subscribe to my channel if you're not already. That's all for today. Bye!